Hey everybody, Johan here with Summerset Grills. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the gas function in the Summerset Hybrid Pizza Oven. So gas mode offers a fast ignition, predictable temperatures, and very repeatable results. It's ideal for everyday cooking and high-volume pizza sessions where you perhaps don't have the time to light up with wood. You want to do the pre-light safety check, so ensure gas connections are secure, ventilation is clear, and the stone is properly seated. Always light the oven with the door open. You want to make sure that you remove the covers from the back and the right side burner. Then turn the gas control knob to ignite. You might have to repeat this a couple of times to prime the gas in the system. Begin on low and gradually increase heat. This protects the stone and allows the oven to warm evenly. High stone temperature is critical for a crisp crust and fast bakes. And then we can insert the pizzas using a peel, rotate as needed for even browning, and remove when crust and toppings are properly cooked. I love the gas mode because it provides control, speed, and consistency, which is perfect for reliable performance. And there you have it. Using the gas mode in the Summerset Hybrid Pizza Oven is super simple. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm Johan with Summerset. Happy grilling.